Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super exciting. I am like pumped and ready to go. Today's video is going to be a little bit more of a challenge video. I don't think I've done either a challenge or anything related to a challenge on my channel. I took tons of, I just spit everywhere. I took tons of inspiration from like Nikki tutorials, Manny MUA, just all the big beauty gurus that do these really cool makeup challenges. But today we're not asking Google, we're not asking Siri, we are asking the Magic 8 Ball. So I decided to do the Magic 8 Ball chooses my makeup, and oh, girl, I am sweating. My pits are getting moist because I don't know how this is going to turn out. I'm going to ask it what I should do as far as like my makeup routine. So we're just going to go in order as far as like primer, foundation, blah 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 blah, and hopefully the Magic 8 Ball is in my favor today because I'm going out and I'm not trying to make a fool out of myself. Okay, so if you guys want to see how this turns out, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to ask the Magic 8 Ball is if I should do my eyebrows, hence why I don't have them on. Woo! Okay, let's get it started. And I'm not going to cheat. I'm going to show you guys, okay? Okay, I'm going to concentrate. Magic 8 Ball, should I do my eyebrows today? Let's try that again. Magic 8 Ball, should I do my eyebrows today? Bitch. Better not tell you now. Do you guys see that? Maybe not. Okay, let's try that again. Magic 8 Ball, should I draw my eyebrows in today? Cannot predict right now. Seriously. Okay, let's move on to the next question. I'm going to ask it if I should add a primer because I usually go in with my foundation and then I do my brows. So let's ask the Magic 8 Ball if I should use a primer today. Magic 8 Ball, should I use a primer today? Okay, am I doing this wrong? Ooh, I think if I shake it up and down, it works a little bit better. Seriously, cannot predict right now. Are you kidding me? Magic 8 Ball, should I use a primer today? My reply is no. No jodas. Okay, so we're not using primer today. I don't know. I'm gonna feel incomplete. Let's move on to the foundation. Magic 8 Ball, should I use foundation today? Ooh, I see an answer. This thing is like hard to move. Magic 8 Ball, should I use foundation today? My reply is no. Why? Like, why would you sabotage? Okay, I can't show you guys because any little movement that I do, it moves around. No primer, no foundation. What am I going to do with my life? That is a question of the day. Magic 8 Ball, should I do my eyebrows today? Oh my god, this thing is stressing me out. Okay, I'm going to ask it one more time. Magic 8 Ball, should I do my eyebrows today? I'm going to ask it over and over again until I get, you may rely on it. Yes. You may rely on it. I'm going to take it as a yes. So I'm going to draw in my eyebrows. Brows are on. Let's move on to the next question. So the Magic 8 Ball said no primer, no foundation. So usually after that, I would naturally go in with like bronzer and all that stuff to do like my face makeup. So no primer, no foundation, yes to the brows. Let's ask it if we should do an eyeshadow look. Okay, Magic 8 Ball, should I do my eyeshadow today? Outlook good, yes. So I'm first going to lay my base down. I'm going to take the P. Louise base in 02. I think I'm going to go in with some of these Makeup Geek eyeshadows, and these are also some coastal scents. I haven't used this palette in a hot minute, so we're just going to take this shade right here, which is Chickadee by Makeup Geek, and I'm just going to apply it right here. Then I think I'm going to pick up a second shade. I'm pretty sure this is Cocoa Bear. this one right here by, again, Makeup Geek. And I'm just going to throw that into the crease. I'm not going to do anything like crazy specific today. I just really wanted to film this because I was like, why not? I think I'm just gonna let the eyes be for a minute. I'll figure out what to do later. But okay, so we have brows on so far. We have eyeshadow on so far. Magic 8 Ball, again, just recapping, no primer, no foundation. So I guess I'm naturally gonna move on to concealer because that is what I would do after my eyeshadow. So let me grab him. Magic 8 Ball, should I wear concealer today? Most likely, yes! Actually, I don't know if I'm excited about that because I don't have a foundation on, so I don't know how that's gonna look. But let's do concealer. I do have to color correct because my dark circles are still a little bit bad. And then for my concealer, I'm gonna take this one by Fenty Beauty in the shade 180. If you guys wanna see a review on this, I will have a little card somewhere here where you can just click on it. So yeah, we're just going to apply the concealer. Oh my god, I feel so weird going in with concealer and having like no primer, no foundation. I can see my pores, they're humongous. I always have to minimize my pores with a primer. Oh, this is not good. Next up would be to bake underneath my eyes. I personally love baking, so let's ask the Magic 8 Ball. Magic 8 Ball, should I set my concealer? It is certain. Okay, I guess we're going to set our concealer even though I have no foundation on. Like, what? This is gonna feel so weird, you guys. So after that, I would usually go in with like bronzer. I'm really nervous. So I'm gonna try, hopefully it says no. Like at this point, I'm just ready to give up, okay? Magic 8 Ball, should I wear bronzer and contour today? Cannot predict right now. Okay, la pues. Magic 8 Ball, should I wear bronzer and contour today? Don't count on it. Seriously, so am I supposed to just, okay, cool, whatever. So no bronzer, no contour. Let's see, blush would be the next thing after I do my bronzer and my contour. I always go in with blush. So let's see, Magic 8 Ball, should I wear blush today? Yes. Okay. Magic 8 Ball just totally sabotaged my makeup for today. I'm gonna use my Smashbox Halo Longwear Blush. I love this one. I've had it for so long, you guys, and I don't even know if I've used it on camera, but I'm constantly using it because I love it. It's this one right here. It's such a beautiful peach, like a nectar color. Oh my god, I love this. I am gonna look like a freaking clown. I have this weird patch right here. Oh my god, look at my face. Okay, let's move on to the next step. After blush, I usually would go in with highlight. So let's ask if we should wear highlight. At this point, I'm like, just do whatever you want. Magic 8 Ball, should I wear highlight today? Outlook, not so good. Okay, well, I guess I can just look like a plain piece of bread. I think I'm going to go back to the eyes, and I am going to ask it if I should do my lower lash line. My lower lash line would be obviously like all the eyeshadow, lashes, and all that. So let's see if she will let me finish my eye look today, because this is actually pretty cute. Magic 8 Ball, should I finish my lower lash line? It is decidedly so. Okay, so I'm going to take that as a yes. Now I'm just going to work on my lower lash line, I guess. So the eyes are bomb, but the rest of the face, not so much. Okay, so the eyeshadow is done. After that, I would apply either eyeliner or lashes. I haven't been wearing too much eyeliner, but for the sake of this video, to make it fun, we're going to ask again the Magic 8 Ball if I should wear eyeliner today. Magic 8 Ball, should I wear eyeliner today? Don't count on it. Okay. Ooh, let's ask if I should wear mascara. Outlook good. Okay. Okay, now after that, I would naturally apply lashes. You guys know that I am like a lash fanatic, so let's see if the Magic 8 Ball will let us wear lashes today. Magic 8 Ball, should I wear lashes today? It is certain. Yes! Bada bang. I don't know if that's gonna look good actually because I look like a hot mess, but let's apply some lashes. So lashes are on. I think the last thing that I would normally do is do lipstick. So again, let's ask the Magic 8 Ball one last time if we should wear lipstick. Magic 8 Ball, should I wear lipstick today? My reply is no. Okay. Well, here is my full face of makeup picked by the Magic 8 Ball. I mean, it could be worse. It really could be. I'm not too happy about the outcome, but again, it could be worse. So with that said, that is the end of this makeup challenge. This is my final look. This is the makeup that the Magic 8 Ball chose for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge. If you guys want to recreate it as well, go ahead and do it and tag me. I would love to see your videos. Thank you guys for watching today. I love you, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!